तो आज का जो एमसीक्यू है वो नर्वस सिस्टम से या सेकंड सेम के लिए ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट इसलिए क्योंकि जो ऑनलाइन एग्जाम हो रहे हैं उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, तो शुरू से लेकर अंत तक देखिएगा। ठीक है। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर, ब्रांच नर्व फाइबर दैट कन्वे इम्पल्स टुवर्ड द सेल body of a neuron are called. The answer is B, dendrites. Answer is B. Next is two question number, myelin sheath on the outside of many axons are contributed by. The answer is A, the axon itself. Answer is A. Next is three question number, a neuron with many nerve fiber arising from its cell body and that carries impulse away from the brain would be classified as. The answer is D, multipolar and motor. Okay, the answer is D. Next is fourth question number, which type of the neuron are likely to increase muscular activities? The answer is A, escalator neuron. The answer is A. Okay, next is five question number, the blank oligodendrocyte. The oligodendrocyte are the type of neuroglial cell that provide myelin in the central nervous system. The answer is B. Next is sixth question number, which type of the neuroglial cell help regulate the composition of cerebrospinal fluid? The answer is D, ependyma. The answer is D. Next is seventh question number, cut neurons possess limited capability for regeneration. The type of neuroglial cell that aid regeneration by formation a regeneration tube to help reestablish the former connection is. The answer is A, Schwann cell. The answer is A, Schwann cell. Okay. Next is eighth question number, at resting potential the ion distribution inside and outside of the neuron is such that blank ion are most abundant on the outside of the cell, blank ion are most abundant on the inside of the cell. The answer is B, sodium and potassium. Sodium is this filling and potassium is potassium and sodium ion. Okay, the answer is B. Next is ninth question number, in response to a stimulus in the membrane potential become more negative than the resting potential, we say the membrane is a hyperpolarized. The answer is A, hyperpolarized. Next is 10 question number, when a neuron reach action potential it depolarizes and repolarizes in an amount of time on the order. The answer is B, millisecond. The answer is B, millisecond. Next is 11 question number, select the incorrect statement about the nerve impulse conduction. The answer is D, the strength of impulse carried along a single nerve fiber can vary with the strength of their stimulus. The answer is D. Next is 12 question number, excessive sleeping is most likely due to the presence of too much of which neurotransmitter? The answer is C, serotonin. The answer is C. Okay. Next is 13 question number, myasthenia gravis reflect a deficiency in communication by blank because receptor for this neurotransmitter have been destroyed. The answer is A, acetylcholine. The answer is A. Next is 14 question number, the level of which neurotransmitter are affected by the mode elevator cocking? The answer is C, norepinephrine. The answer is C, norepinephrine. Next is 15 question number, fibers that originate from different part of the nerve system and lead to the same neuron are exhibiting. The answer is B, convergence. The answer is B, convergence. Next is 16 question number, which term does not belong with the other? The answer is D, spinal nerve. The answer is D. Next is 17 question number, which item should not be grouped together? The answer is C, spinal cord. Answer is C. Next is 18 question number. The cell that question number is 18 question number. The cells that conduct messages toward the brain are the answer is B, sensory neurons. The answer is B. Next is 19 question number. Nerve impulse always travel to the brain through axon fiber. The answer is D, axon fiber. Next is 20 question number. The myelin sheath around the neuron is actually produced by the Schwann cell. The answer is D, Schwann cell. Okay. Next is 21 question number. Which of these cell does not belong with the other? The answer is B, neurons. The answer is B. Next is 22 question number. The microglia cell are capable of removing a blood clot from the brain. The answer is C, microglia. Okay. Next is 23 question number. Which of these is true when a neuron is at rest? The answer is A. The outside is positive. The answer is A. Next is 24 question number. The most common neurotransmitter is in the body is, the answer is C, acetylcholine. Okay. Next is 25 question number. Durometer is the most outer meninges and forms superated and protective partition between the some portion of the brain. The answer is A, durometer. Okay. Next is 26 question number. In which portion of the spinal cord the interneurons lie? The answer is C, grammators. The answer is C. Next is 27 question number. Which tract would be most likely to carry sensory impulse from the skin and joint to the brain? The answer is A, fasciculus, gracilis. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 28 question number. The following statements are regarded reflexes. Choose the statement that is incorrect. The answer is B. Reflex involve at least 3 neurons and all are through the spinal cord. The answer is B. Okay. Next is 29 question number. The embryonic hindbrain gives rise to what structure in the brain? The answer is D. Cerebellum, pons and medulla oblongata. The answer is D. Next is 30 question number. The portion of brain involved understanding speech and using the word is located in the blank of the cerebrum. The answer is B, parietal lobe. Parietal lobe of the brain. Cerebrum. The answer is B. Next is 31 question number. When a person think and solve problem, which area is cerebrum is involved? The answer is A, frontal lobe, यानी कि सामने का जो होता है frontal वो. Okay. Next is 32 question number. Elderly nursing home resident are often called by their first name rather than by their last name. Why is this the case? The answer is C. First name are stored in the resident. Long-term memories are remembered while last name are less likely recalled. The answer is C. Okay. Next is 33 question number. The hypothalamus is a portion of brain that maintains homeostasis by linking activities of the endocrine and nervous system together. The answer is B. Okay. Next is 34 question number. Which these nuclei are not located entirely within the medulla oblongata? The answer is D. Reticular formation. The answer is D. Okay. Next is 35 question number. What kind of peripheral nerve fiber carries motor impulse? The answer is B. General visceral efferent fiber. The answer is B. Next is 36 question number. Which pair of cranial nerve are mixed nerve that supply the chest and abdomen with autonomic nervous system? The answer is C. Vagus nerve. The answer is C. Vagus nerve. Next is 37 question number. The parasympathetic division of the autonomic nervous system is characterized by each of these except which one? The answer is A. Preganglionoid fiber arise from the thoracic and lumbar regions of the spinal cord. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 38 question number. Parietal or complete inability to coordinate voluntary movement is also referred to as, the answer is B, ataxia. The answer is B, ataxia. Next is 39 question number. Which structure would not be innervated by the sympathetic nervous system? By the sympathetic nervous system. The answer is A. Skeletal muscle. The answer is A. Okay. Question number. The cell body of all sensory neurons is located within the answer is C. Dorsal root ganglion. The answer is C. Okay. Next is 41 question number. What is the last region of a typical reflex arc? The answer is B. Ventral root. The answer is B. Okay. Next is 42 question number. Parkinson disease tumor are the result of which condition? The answer is D. Dopamine deficiency. The answer is D. Next is 43 question number. The connection between the third and fourth ventricle is called the cerebral aqueduct. The answer is B. Cerebral aqueduct. Next is 44 question number. The vital central are located within the area of brain. The answer is medulla area of the brain. The answer is D. Next is 45 question number. Which brain area act to the regulate body temperature? The answer is C. Hypothalamus. The answer is C. Hypothalamus. Next is 46 question number. Which brain area act to screen all incoming sensory data? The answer is D. Thalamus. The answer is D. Thalamus. Next is 47 question number. Emotional response and attitude are associated with which brain area? The answer is A. Limbic system. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 48 question number. Which brain area coordinate skeletal muscle movement? The answer is cerebellum. The answer is B. Cerebellum. Next is 49 question number. The cerebral hemisphere are connected by the answer is C. Corpus callosum. The answer is C. Corpus callosum. Okay. Next is सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और शेयर करें अपने फ्रेंड में और कमेंट और लाइक जरूर करें और हमेशा खुश रहें। तब तक के लिए बाय। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं।